Ikea Royal Kitchen Conundrum. Now, all the contestants have come down here, we're all female, hoping to win this £10,000 kitchen. Now, the thing about it is, they didn't realise what they had to do. And if I was honest, I didn't realise what they had to do, but have a little bit of a glance down there, you will see that there are loads of unbuilt kitchen units, right? And what they've actually got to do is assemble the kitchen units, and whoever does it first, right, will win the £10,000 kitchen, which is, you know, fairly good kind of mechanic, as it were, for giving away a kitchen. But the girls, look, if you look at these, if you get our girls in over there, they don't look very happy about it. They look very apprehensive over there. I think they might have seen 60-minute makeover once, but that's as far as this kind of DIY kind of stuff goes. The cast and crew's here. We've got all the IKEA people. Say hello, IKEA people. Hello. You can tell they went out on the last night, can't you? Anyway, right, so we're going to get ourselves prepared, and then we're going to kick things off in a short while. We'll film it to make sure that everybody can see that there's no cheating going on. Right, I'll go and have a quick brew first. Yeah, Adam, we're ready to rock and roll here. Our contestants are in position. So all that needs to happen now is our timekeeper, our master timekeeper, David, to call it in for us. Away you go, David.
Okay, contenders ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Can you do a bit better than that, please? Are you ready?
Yes.
They're ready.
Okay, after 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
One of our recovery co-workers will tell us whether that's up to standard.
Right, can you have a adjudication, please?
Get the chair got the wrong way around.
Other than that,
Down there and bottom. So up here.
Scared, yeah. Scared again.
yeah.
You know what I mean? We are faced in a situation where 2 of the base cabinets have been constructed, so we've got 2 people left. We have Lisa and we have Heather. Now what we need to do is to bring in at this point our man Paul, who's been timing for us. Paul, do we have a winner?
We have a winner.
Okay, can you tell us what the winning time was, please, first, before you say any more?
Well, it's very close. They both came in at 12 minutes, but one was 12 minutes and 3 seconds, and one was 12 minutes and 28 seconds.
Can you tell us who the winner of the Ikea Royal Kitchen Conundrum 2011 is, please?
It's Lisa.
Lisa! Yes! Lisa's managed to come up with a good serve. Believe me, it was close. You couldn't have asked for more of a nail-biting finish than that. Absolutely tremendous stuff. Lisa, let's get you over here. Lisa, oh, I think she's crying. Lisa, you managed to do the business. You got a £10,000 kitchen. How do you think? How do you feel about that? Oh, she's Lisa, come on, you've got to say a few words here. There's 9 million people listening to it doing this one. £10,000 kitchen. How does that feel? For free? I know. And Ikea's going to sort it all out for you. You having this? I can't believe it. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You have a big party when it's all plumbed in?
It will be.
Oh, it will be. I think she's overcoming emotion. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you the winner. It is our Lisa. She's overcoming emotion. And I'm filling up myself as well, pal, so I'm going to hand you back anyway. Adam, thanks very much, mate. I'll speak to you soon. Bye, folks. See you later. Bye.